Today, I want to show you 3 ways to use a stretching strap or yoga strap to increase knee range of motion after a total knee replacement surgery. Today's stretches are best suited for people who could straighten the knee completely, as well as people who could bend the knee close to 90 degrees. If you have a hard time straightening your knee completely, or if you have a hard time bending your knee past 60 degrees, today's exercises might not be appropriate for you. Instead, I would like to invite you to try the exercises that I introduced last week that I think are more appropriate for you. I will leave the link to the video down below. The first stretch that I want to introduce using the stretching strap is a hamstring stretch. Wrap one end of the strap around your foot, hold the other end of the strap with your hands. Lie down on your back, pull the strap with your hands, and lift your leg up with your knee straight. We're looking for a stretch in the back of your knee. Hold the stretch for at least 30 seconds, and you can put the leg down to rest. Repeat for 3 sets. For the second stretch, wrap the end of the strap onto your ankle. Hold the other end of the strap with your hands. Lie down on your stomach. Pull the other end of the strap with your hands over your head to bend the knee. Hold the stretch for at least 30 seconds. Relax the stretch to rest. Repeat for 3 sets. The last stretch is an alternative stretch for your knee flexion. Wrap one end of the strap around your ankle. Hold the other end of the strap with your hand. Lie down on your back on your bed. Make sure the bed that you're lying on is high enough such that when you sit at the edge of your bed, your foot does not touch the floor. Lie down at the edge of the bed. Let the leg that you're going to stretch fall off the edge of the bed and try to relax your leg the best you can. Pull the strap from behind your shoulder and bring it over to the front of your shoulder. Hold the stretch for 30 seconds. Relax the stretch to rest. Repeat for 3 sets. It is a good idea to warm up the knee with a heating pad before you do these stretches. It is also a good idea to ice your knee after you do these stretches to reduce the swelling and numb the pain. If you want to completely recover from your knee surgery, please consult with your local physical therapist or physiotherapist for a personalized rehab program.